Alright ladies, we are in Power School and I want to walk you through really quickly of how to do a comment for progress reports. Okay, so I am in my dashboard and I'm going to click on Power Teacher Pro. Okay, once I get here, I'm going to click on Grading and I'm going to click on Score Sheet. When you click on Score Sheet, you're going to be able to see all of the grades you've taken so far. So far I've taken 2 grades. On Friday I'll add a 3rd one. So we should have 3 grades to show for progress reports. So to make a comment, you're going to click on this little arrow right here. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and this is where you're going to type. And you can type something like, "Jude is doing a fantastic job in math," yada yada yada. And I'm not going to type the whole comment, but I'm just going to say something positive, something that I would like for him to work on. Like right now he can work on, this particular kid cannot count by 2s, so I'm going to say please work with him on counting by 2s. And then so just like a positive, something to work on, and then kind of like a closing. So I'm going to make a comment for all of the kids that I have in my homeroom for math, and then for all of the kids that all of Jessica's kids in math. Okay, so once you do that, you want to make sure you click Save, and then you'll notice once you save it, oh, whoopsie, I'm going to delete that because we don't want it to be on the patterns. Sorry about that. We want it to be right here in the course grade. So make sure in the course grade where you have the comment. See, I messed up, sorry. So you make sure in the course grade so it will go there. And then I'm going to delete this comment right here. But as you can see, once you make a little comment and click Save, there's going to be a little text, like a little comment box that comes up. Okay. Now for science, okay, and social studies. So what we've been doing is we've been putting grades into science, okay? Because our science and social studies standards are combined, we only just put them in one time instead of duplicating it. So what you're going to want to do is like take a screenshot of this or write it down on a piece of paper or whatever. So I'm going to write down the grade of their average, the course grade, okay? So like Jude is 100, Will is 100. So I'm going to enter those guys. Once you have your screenshot, then you're going to go over to social studies and you're going to put the kids' average in. So you're going to go to create, assignment, and then I always call it whatever the midterm is, 9.8, and you can call it midterm. And it's the only category we have in social studies is a test. So go ahead and make sure you've created that. You can select the due date, which is the 8th, and then you're going to just go in and you're going to enter in midterm, you're going to enter the averages for the kids that you have, the averages from science. Okay, I hope that makes sense and I hope that was clear. Sorry I messed up the comment, but I only leave comments for reading and math. So literacy and math teachers, make sure you comment for both of your homerooms, and then Nicole, you can just do one comment and incorporate literacy and math into there if you would like, or you can separate it into the subjects. It's up to you. Okay, the other thing is that Carrie wants all of these. Carrie reads all of these and Lauren read all of these just to make sure that they sound good and all that sort of thing. So just make sure that you are prepared to have them turned in. And when I say turned in, it just means that they're entered in Power School by Wednesday, September the 9th at 8 a.m. because they will print them out and read through them. So let me know if you have any questions.